This is a used 2013 Ford F-150, powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, and a six-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 9,000 miles, this vehicle is like new. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, alloy rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, keyless entry, split rear seats, an MP3 player, air conditioning, power windows. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Chalmers Capital Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at Cerrillos Road, Santa Fe, New Mexico.